Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js Stripe. Today we are going to learn about how to integrate Stripe payment gateway in Node.js using the checkout session method. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So let's first, I will showcase you the demo. So here we have to go with our localhost. So here we go with localhost. It's not running. Oh, it's in the 4000 port. I have changed the port over here, so I need to change the port first. It's to be 3000. Okay, so I have added 3000. Let's run this. So here you can see that we have a checkout button. Okay, so when I click on the checkout button, you can see that via this it will redirect to the Stripe account. Okay, so you can see that checkout Stripe, it will redirect. Here you can enter your details, so I will choose any of the customer from here, that Rajnikant 67, or any new custom new thing you want to add, you can add. So already I have the customers created over here, so just I will use this one. Okay, so currently $10 payment is actually successfully, so I will use this email ID, this one. So let's do the payment with this. Okay, and the card number. Now month, this card holder name Rajnikant, country India. Okay, okay, it's done. It's redirected to the payment, successfully done. If I go to the payment section and if I just reload this customer also, it will give you the today's payment. So here you can see the new payment has been created right now, and you can see that the transaction part. So it's last October 27, 5:39, the same date that currently we have, and all the payment is successfully done. You can see that. And if I go to the payment section also, we have the payments. Here you can see, just reload this tab. So here you can see the October 27th one payment is successfully done. Okay, the payment is complete. So how we are going to do in our Node.js applications, let's have a look on that one. So what I have done to implement this one, let's have a look. Okay, so what I have done, let's have a look on that. So first of all, we have a create checkout session API section. So this is that one. So here we have a checkout sessions create. First we create the checkout session with the payment method type card, line of items. So here you can add the line of items with the product name, product image, unit, everything. Okay. Then the mode is payment. Then you have to return the two URL, that is success URL and the cancel URL. Okay. After adding the success and the cancel, I have made the new URLs. So here we have the app.get cancel URL, then we have a payment successful URL. Okay, so here we are a success URL, so where we are check out session retrieve, so we are retrieving the session ID and we'll check what is the status of that one. If it is paid, then we will show that the payment successful, else it will show you that payment unsuccessful. Okay, then we have a views index.file, and here we are using the code. No, course not, we are using the EGS, so make sure you have to install npm I EGS. Okay, and if we have a view and index.egs, so here we have a checkout button, so where we are calling the fetch API using the create checkout session. So post API we are calling using the fetch method, and whatever the response, it will return the URL. After telling the URL, it will redirect, so it will open window location.href, it will open the URL of the Stripe gateway, and rest of the process you can go with the Stripe part. After doing the successful payment, it will redirect to the success page. If something went wrong, it will redirect to the cancel page. Okay, this is the full-fledged code for implementing that one. Any doubt, any query in that, just do let me know in the comment section. Next video we are going to learn about the same process with the React. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.